Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video on some quick lunch ideas. As always, I like to have a main course, a vegetable and a fruit, some snacks. But when I make my lunches, I always figure it's always nice to just have an idea of what to make. So remember, you can always have more or less, just depends on who you're making it for. This one is actually for one of the little ones, but if it's for an adult, you can have a whole burrito, or you can always have more again or less. So anyway, what I have here is a turkey wrap, and it's regular lunch meat. It's turkey lunch meat, shaved, and I have regular cheese in it. And again, you can use whatever cheese you want to use. Again, remember, these are just ideas to give you an idea of what to make. Right here, I have cauliflower. Oops. So here's the cauliflower here. They'll definitely eat this. That's why I got the boat, so that they can be able to put the cauliflower in there, and they can be able to use the, they like Italian dressing, and they can put it over it and then get it to eat it. And then, so the main course is the turkey burrito, and then I have cauliflower here. And then for their fruit, I have, this is 1/4 of a grapefruit that I went ahead and chopped up. And then right here, I have a carrot, or not a carrot, but actually a pickle that they can be able to eat with their burrito, as well as the dressing I have right here. And then for their quick snack, also, I have mayonnaise here that they can be able to put inside their burrito. And then here, I have some of those Rice Krispie poppers. And I went ahead and bought some, and I individually bagged them. And they have 5 inside of this bag for them. And then I have here some chili Fritos. So the little ones should like that. So anyway, these are just some quick lunch ideas. You can always have more or less. But I always like to bring you guys along with me. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.